Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter V. This is uppercase V and this is lowercase v. V is for van. V-A-N, van. Van means gaadi. V is for vase. V-A-S-E, vase. Vase means gamla. V is for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Vulture means gid. V is for violin. V-O-L-I-N, violin. Violin means violin. V is for van. V is for vase. V is for vulture. V is for violin. Let's write letter V. Okay. Go to the top and draw a slanting line downwards. Draw upward. Okay. This is letter V. Slanting line down, slanting line up. This is lowercase v. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.